So what's the problem here?
All right. So the application is now it's not when you are saving a person, especially a student, there is the parameter age and class. It seems like when I'm saving the age, it will intend be saved as the class, and those two are interchanged. So I really don't know where the real problem is.
Okay, let's check for that. Ruby, what is the main RB?
Yeah,
Oh, the problem is when you create a person,
when you create a person, a student.
a student,
Yeah,
and for the teacher is okay.
for the teacher, it's okay.
Okay. Options. So let's pick some age of 17. Name the rows without parent permission. Oh, the creation is okay.
Yeah.
Let's check let's list the student. Oh, right. On age, you have some information about some class.
Classroom. Yeah.
Let's check for that. But let me check something. What happens when you create a teacher?
Yeah, we can check that.
Uh, yeah, for the teacher is okay. So let's go to the code. So in your code, you have this list. We choose the tree is create a person. The create person is here. That call, in this case, the problem is in the create student. And the create student is, the create student is in the app, right?
Yes, it's in the app.
App RB, create student. Create student is here.
Yeah.
Let's see. In the create student, you have the age, name, and parent permission. After that, you have the person push. Let's put some point, the stop point here. Let's check what is the content that I don't remember. Oh, ding, ding, right. Oh, we have to add that require also, right?
Yeah, require pry.
Okay. Let's save that. And start again, test. So the idea is to create a person, a student with age 17, same many rows that don't have the parent permission. Oh, we have something. We can check, just to check if it's working, let's check name. Name is Rose, okay. Let's check the age. The age is okay, 17.
Yeah.
So the problem is not with the age.
Yeah.
What else we have here? We can check the parent permission. That is new. I don't know if I was checking with new, but it's okay. What about the classroom? Oh, the classroom has something. Yeah, it's okay. It's a content of the classroom. So let's check on the student. You are creating, pushing something on this array, and create on the student class. On the student class, you have the initialize. Oh, age classroom and name. So in your code, age classroom and you are creating classroom, age and name. So have just to change that for age classroom
Oh, that's
So
where the
that
problem was.
problem is that. Let's check. Save that. Exit the test. Let's finish it once. The sample was let's change. Let's run again to create the student. It's the student, 17 years old, can call the rows without parent permission. Oh, I have the, oh, okay. We have the same instruction. Let's exit that. List all the student. Oh, it's working.
Now it's
Okay.
working. That's nice.
Okay, great. So we have to remove that things, the test things, the Pry, and the binding. Save, and your problem is solved. Okay.
All right. Thank you so much for that.
You're welcome.